Hey, Colby, it's Corey with Tameron Hyundai. I want to thank you for your inquiry on the 2014 Hyundai Sonata. You did specify a specific color. You specified the white GLS, and this is what we have pulled up here. I want to come over here and show you a few things about it. I want to first start out with the beautiful alloy wheels. On the inside of this white has the camel interior that contrasts great with the white. In the back, you have room for true 3 passengers in the travel in the back. On the front, this screen right here turns into a backup camera, as well as you have your CD player right here. You also get 90 days free of XFM radio. This vehicle also have passenger and driver side heated seats. On your steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth control, your cruise control. You have your steering wheel sensitivity, which I'll explain to you when you get here. You also have your volume control for your radio. This car is also ready for Blue Link as well, which I'll go in more detail when you get here as well. Great choice, great car. More importantly, Colby, I want to tell you about is our warranty. Hyundai gives you a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty on the powertrain, and for doing business here with us at Tameron, we double that. We give you a 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty on the powertrain, a 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty on the bumper-to-bumper, and a 5-year, 6,000-mile warranty on the roadside assistance. So look, man, this is the car you asked about. We got it. Give me a call. My name is Corey, 205-380-6250. I would love to do whatever we can do to get you in this car. Thanks again for your interest.